Hello friends. I hope you all are fine. Friends, I am back with one other amazing video, which is about the cryptocurrency as well as Binance app as well as USDT, BUSD, Litecoin, which is the coin of cryptocurrency. So, friend, I told you about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency? Friends, you all know cryptocurrency is a decentralized system which regulates the payments and authenticates the payment. And there is one and other amazing and the big thing about all this is Binance app it's a trust wallet app. Binance app. Binance is very amazing app. It's a you can say it's a bank type thing, which holds the cryptocurrency. It's a wallet, virtual wallet which holds the cryptocurrency. Binance is an app on which you can do trading. You can earn a lot of money. You can send and receive payment from any part of the world. It is super easy, super duper easy, and it's you can easily withdraw money from cryptocurrency from Binance app, and the coins of the cryptocurrencies which are operating in also in Binance is USDT, BUSD, and Litecoin. These are the coins of cryptocurrency. Binance also provide facility about these coins. Binance, yeah, these Litecoin and the other coin which BUSD is very important coin which is running very running in market. It's very frequent currency. Cryptocurrency is most secure currency in the world. Nobody can hack or do anything bad with this system, so it's safe for the people who do want to invest. Binance is a trusted wallet app in this regard, so if you want to do trading or something like that, you can use this app, Binance app, for trading as well as for sending or receiving payment from the clients, from the people around the world. So I hope you will like video. So until next video, take care, bye.